Welcome back to episode number 2 of what should we call this segment? The return?
Yeah, Track
Ooh.
Stars Return.
Track Stars Return.
Yes.
Episode 2.
And we're on the track.
It's blue.
Where it all started.
Where it all started. Where me and Tyrell both pulled our hamstrings and it was not fun.
It wasn't. Oh, man. It was go to States, too. It's kind of crazy.
Huh?
I said I put it right when I was about to go to States, too.
Bro, I
was about to qualify. I was like in front of everyone, and then boom. Done.
Bro.
I was in front of Kev, too. That was the crazy part.
Bro, oh my God. Dude,
good start.
When I mean the first time when I think I did make it to state, but I gave my position up to somebody else but family got to come first.
Yeah.
But the second time I made it and we were at the Gulf Shores, bro, beautiful, great time. Now them parties though, I was not around for that. For any of you who went to Gulf Shores State in Alabama 2025, for those who know, y'all know. All right, we were at
Sea Skips.
Now, all right. So, all this during track season, bro.
I know.
We probably would have. Oh my gosh, more than just a couple of great 100 meters and 200 meters, bro. We'd have like a whole lineup.
Exactly. That's all good.
Definitely probably 2 4x1s. All right, regular high knees. Oh no!
But I got to see.
All right, bro.
We're back again.
Had a bit of a
technical difficulties. Yeah, as you can see.
You'll see it later. You didn't drive the Bob John. I don't even think I went to that one.
Oh,
I think we all got on the bus.
Did we? I didn't do any indoor. That's kind of crazy though. I never did indoor. I came so late and I got injured, so I couldn't do it again. So there you go.
And then we were in football and we came back. Football had us so fatigued.
I know.
I
should have done football.
Oh yeah. I should have joined at least like freshman years. I definitely would have been better than what I was. But for any of you former JC athletes, bro, especially football team, y'all, I know y'all recall. I'll tell you that one game we got our whooped. I don't know how, but it was bad. Mountain Brook that came to us, or did we go to Mountain Brook and we got tore up there? Because I know we got tore up when it was 2023. Geo, Gabe, hey, tap in if y'all remember that. Geo, Gabe, remember that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I feel like I'm frozen right now. Yeah, bro. Bro, they got blocks. Bro, where did they get these? Where did they get the blocks?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this one came down.
Brother. Like, I want some blocks too. Hold up. Let me see if this one. Huh? You gotta be joking. Yeah. Oh. Man. Oh, bro, that's what I used to do every time I go into this line. Just
The block?
yeah.
What did I do?
I think you did. Bro,
I shake my leg out before I get the block. Yeah.
Bro, hey, pause track critics, but cock it back.
Hey, not do that.
Like you Iron Man or something.
Sure.
Start, back up, release, and cut. Players. Mike Vick, Cam Newton, Patrick Mahomes, and Josh Allen.
Josh Allen. Actually, I don't know.
We're going down the wrong path already. Okay. We're going to do 30%. Get the jogging.
Yeah.
Get our knees up a little bit. Work on when I come back and start running, unattached meets is nowhere near shit for I'm trying to copy Usain Bolt and the soft power, how that be, so relaxed. But I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to relax my start and my running ability to where I can just, coast like them. But man, them boys be they be working. Their workouts are tremendous. Explosiveness and acceleration. We're gonna get down in our stance that we're in our blocks.
Yeah.
And we're gonna run to that second white line to get the explosiveness.
Okay.
Oh. Set. Go. you still got your start. You still got that.
Thank you, man.
The oral form is crazy.
I need to make sure I get my knees up.
Oh yeah. Set. Go.
I mean that time. I was a little delayed.
I did my best to stay a whole lot lower.
Yeah.
And turn my drive phase better. Dude.
Just thinking about that price.
Well, let me look it up. $5 blocks. How do you market? You market these blocks.
Probably bring it closer a little bit. Yeah.
You market these blocks for $5, but then you market them for $70, and they look trash. Set.
I was watching. I saw like a little movement you did.
Yes. You saw that little flinch. You said, "Time to go."
Oh, this is fun, bro.
This is really fun to do this with you, man. Anybody who's in Mississippi, Ole Miss, Raising Cane's, y'all got it up there, bro. Hey, that's good. That's some good stuff. Hey, them butter chicken tenders, them nice crispy seasoned fries with that Raising Cane sauce and that buttermilk bread butter. Oh! Sorry.
Yeah.
Is it just food?
We're back and we got some blocks.
We got some blocks, but in a bit of a dilemma.
Yeah, we gotta put a tire on it because it keeps moving. So yeah, we had to improvise. But we still getting this work in though.
But look, track critics are gonna be like, hey, anything for the runs, gains.
Get set, go.
Oh.
Done.
You set your blocks where you want them. There we go. Set. Go.
Yeah. set, go.
Sit. Go. Bro, we should be dancing right now. We should be dancing right now to it. We should make a little edit where we dance with. Bro.
Get set, go.
Sit. Go.
Get set, go. Relax.
Sit. Go. Relax. There you go.
This is the end of the track workout.
It's the end.
You see, we're tired.
We did about 4 100s. 2 of those we were trying to make sure that we had everything right, and then practice starts. But then we have 2 actual 100s that we ran. Oh, that was.
I felt good on them. I haven't ran them in a minute.
I sure enough feel good.
I'm glad I did this workout. Came to the track.
Oh yeah.
Favorite spot to be, besides the gym.
I feel great. It's nice to be back out here. Most definitely for sure. Definitely gonna start getting ready for summer. So possibly do a couple of unattached meets. Definitely gonna go get a smoothie.
Yeah, Steph.
Yep.
I'll see y'all later.